Hey guys, so quick video for you about the Weber Summit Kamado E6, like the important things to be aware of and kind of like the pros and cons. Now the company is great, but here are also the pros. So insane fuel efficiency, much lighter than ceramic. You have like steel there, so that's great. Also it's made in America and a massive cooking space, so that's great too, that if you like to actually get it. And 10-year warranty is insane. Now, the first con is that you don't have much accessories with it. And here to get more accessories, you need to actually like buy things. So that's additional cost that you have to get. And comparing to the competitors where you actually get some accessories. Also, there is no rotisserie available and no rotisserie option, and it would be great if it would be there. And also assembly can be a little bit frustrating to actually like finish it up. And top vent can also slip when opening the lid, so that's also important what could happen. And the wheels aren't the greatest. I mean, like the whole build is insane, but the wheels, I wouldn't say they're like kind of like insane. So that's like another thing to be aware of. And in extreme cold, this is important. If you're planning to use it in dead of winter, what you have to be aware of is not as efficient in extreme cold as, for example, comparing to ceramic. And of course, it's also the price. That's like another thing that it's on a more expensive side. But still, it's like interesting product. It's not bad, but yeah, like with accessories, with the price that it's like steel or not ceramic, that's something to be aware of. Just like important things for you to know, okay? So hope this video helped you a little bit, and have a great day and goodbye.